Okay, so you were absent for the group movement activity, and now you need to submit it on your own. This only applies if you were absent. If you weren't absent, then you did your presentation during class. If you were absent, you're going to need to do it this way and submit it in FlipGrid, but you're only submitting to me. You will not be presenting it to the whole class. So you have to get to the right activity, and that link is going to be in the assignment. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to record a response. Okay. Now, since I'm using the camera here, it's not going to let me, so I'm going to turn this camera off. Okay, and I'm going to say retry camera. Now it's working. Here I am. Okay, so now I want to go to record screen, and I'm going to choose start screen recording. Okay, if you look up here, I have my tab ready to go. This is what I want to present. Okay, so I'm going to start screen recording. You could do your entire screen, application window. I like to do this, just the Chrome tab I was working on. Now, if you did yours in PowerPoint, then you're not going to be able to choose a tab, but here's mine right here. And I'm going to share this one. And then I'm going to start my presentation. Okay, let's learn all about Fortnite dances, okay, and the movements that are in them. So here is movement 1. So you see this movement right here? Okay, I'm looking only at the fingers. You see this abduction of all of those fingers. So in this movement, he is moving the fingers away from the midline, making a big angle, right? And this is called abduction. So it's abduction of the fingers. And then you can see in this picture, the arrow pointing to it, there's flexion of the knee. Flexion is bending a joint. So here's another example. Flexion, bending a joint, decreasing the angle, in this case, between the thigh and the lower leg. Lower leg. Okay, so that's my second movement. Okay, now if I were actually presenting this in class, I would have 2 more movements to present, and then that's it. Okay, so you're going to record this, and then you're going to click up here on stop. And it's going to take us to the FlipGrid video, and you could see everything that was recorded. Okay, and you're going to go to next. Now you have a choice. You can edit your video. Here I can pick which frame I want to be the cover. Okay, so let's see. I'll use this one as my cover. I'm going to confirm. Okay, my display name, I can add description. So this is the sample recording if you were absent. Oops. And then you click submit. Okay. And it's going to upload the video. So it says don't close the app, so let it go. Success, your video is now visible. Say done. Okay, and you look now in responses, here I have it shown. I'm going to pin this one, only I can do that at the top, so my instructions stay at the top. Again, this is only available, only need to do this if you were absent on the day we did the group movement activity. Okay, and this is when you're ready to submit to FlipGrid. I'm going to make an additional video that explains how to do the project. This is only showing you how to upload it to FlipGrid.